Madam Chair, like Engineer Lee Bee Hua, I had a lot of queries too, and I had my Sembawang event yesterday. Largely positive, and because they were appreciative, because I appreciate their patience because they've been waiting for decades, and now that there's an opening here, so they were positive in their feedback to me. And some of the questions were very similar, other than the question on whether there will be BTO in Yisun. we are planning the whole BTO programs for the rest of this year and also going forward. And as always, I would like to spread them out, whether it's studio apartments for the seniors or studio apartment for the singles, and of course other flat types. So I'm quite sure at some stage there will be some BTO offerings which singles can apply to for those who want to stay in Yisun. The second point about salary, I gave an interview to the journalist, which I think was quite well reported today. My explanation is a simple one, that I think in policy making, we cannot try to forge a perfect solution and then you offer it to Singaporeans, because no matter how carefully you plan it, you can never capture it all. And the worst thing is to try to seek a perfect solution that satisfies all. It may take you years, and then you are very slow. You will be very slow in implementing. So my typical approach is, be clear where you hope the end point can be. We do not know how long or how fast we can reach the end point, but let's start off cautiously and progressively open up. That I think is a much better approach than to open up in a very liberal manner, only to disappoint many at first stage, and then you are forced to tighten up, which I think will upset many people. So I think this first step of opening up to those earning below 5,000, I personally find it a reasonable step, because what does $5,000 mean? What does $5,000 mean? I received a couple of emails who were negative, which were negative. They said, only a few can enjoy this scheme. That's not true, Madam Chair. That's not true. The percentile of singles, excluding retirees, in other words, I don't count in the retirees, working singles above 35. $5,000 is between 80th percentile and 85th percentile. Put it in simple English. More than 80% of singles above 35 years old earn below $5,000. That is not a few singles who will be eligible. And I think it is fair that let's open this up to these 80th percentile singles, and then we see if the demand is manageable, and then I will certainly want to raise the income ceiling. Yeah. So that is my approach, and I hope to get the singles understanding and patience. Because when you open up and set too high a salary ceiling, what it means is when you have to ration and through balloting, then it is luck of a draw, and you may end up offering many units to those who are earning $10,000 or whatever, while depriving those who are truly earning, say, $4,000 or $3,000, who may need it more badly and have less options. As for these 3 rooms with parents, I understand the wish. Some, in fact, email me and say, "Can we have 5 rooms?" I said, one step at a time, Let us do the 2 rooms, because let us judge the demand, and then we slowly liberalize from there. Immediately is for those who want to stay with parents. They can already do so, applying as a family unit to the 3-room, 4-room, 5-room, whatever BTO launches that they are interested in.